would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to REALME C25s. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bars. Then you need to type and send anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now you need to choose Receive on REALME and Send on Nokia. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on REALME, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and choose Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!